Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix this. So this is what the error looks like. The Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. So what can we do to fix it? Then, in the Windows search bar, search for File Explorer. Click on this. On the left pane, click on this PC. Click on the Windows C drive. Then scroll down and look for the program files x86. Double click. Look for the Epic Games right here. So if you find the Epic Games right here, what you'll have to do, just make a right click. Let's say for example, this is the Epic Games. Just make a right click and then select delete. Once done, go back to this PC, Windows C drive. Scroll down and look for the program files, the one without x86. Then look for the Epic Games right here too. So if you find the Epic Games, just make a right click and then select delete. Once done, close this window. Right click at the taskbar, select Task Manager. Or you can just simply right click at the Start button and then select Task Manager. Here you'll find this Create a New Task, the one with the plus sign symbol. Now this could be located right here at the left or this could be at the right, but you just have to click on that. Here we are going to type MSI, so just follow me, it's MSIEXEC. MSIEXEC dot EXE. Then create this task with administrative privileges, check that. Click on Browse. Then locate the path where you have saved the Epic Games installer. So here I have this in my desktop. Now what I'm going to do, you have this file name programs, change this to all files. And then I can find here the Epic installer. Now this could be in your downloads, right here in your downloads. So if this is in your downloads, just click on this all files. Now this is in my desktop, so I'll need to click on all files and I'll just click on it, click on open. Then make sure and do not forget to check this box for create this task with administrative privileges. Click on OK. Then here you need to click on repair. Click on repair. Now this will repair the Epic Games Launcher, so we just have to wait for this. Now once done, just close this and then try opening your Epic Games Launcher this time. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.